Physics is the branch of science that involves the study of physical universe and energy, matter and how they are related. The study of physics is to understand the world around us, the world inside us. बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम आसिफ जवाद है। आज का जो मेरा टॉपिक है वो है फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज एंड मेजरमेंट। सो आई विल स्टार्ट माय टॉपिक। यूनिट नंबर 1, पेज नंबर 2, फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज एंड measurement. All the quantities we deal in physics require measurements. This chapter is built on unit number 8, measurement and physical quantities of general science for grade 8. Measurement is not only a key concern in physics. In our daily life, we are always making measurements. For example, when we go to a tailor shop before sewing our clothes, he takes the required measurements. Topic number 1.1, Introduction to Physics. Man has always been curious to know the how and why behind the working and function of things. He asks the fundamental questions like how did the universe begin? How does it change? What rules govern its behavior? Why do things fall to the ground? Why does the moon seem to change shape during the month? What goes inside the sun to make it hot? Physics is all about trying to answer questions like these. All of these phenomena in the universe involve the study of matter and energy. Physics is the branch of science that involves the study of physical universe and energy, matter and how they are related. The study of physics is to understand the world around us, the world inside us and the world beyond us. Physics covers a wide range of phenomena from the smallest subatomic particles to the largest galaxies and universe. Physicists investigate the motion of electrons and rockets, the energy in sound waves and electric circuits, the structure of the proton and of the universe.